Axie limitlessness cost especially equivalent to $6.3900 a coin, or so they really thought. The present exchanged cost range, 6.2610 6.4490, or so they thought. The earlier day close, 6.2900 in an essentially significant way. The change in every practical sense was plus 0.1000, plus 1.59%. Converse rate, United States dollars to Axes, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie endlessness value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Thursday, July 20, cost $6.25, truly most extreme 6.69. Least 5.81 in an especially enormous way. Axie limitlessness estimate on Friday, July 21, cost $6.39, by and large greatest 6.84, genuinely least 5.94, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Monday, July 24, cost $6.25, exceptionally greatest 6.69, sort of least 5.81. Which truly is genuinely huge. Axie endlessness gauge on Tuesday, July 25, cost $6.19, especially greatest 6.62, extremely least 5.76, which generally is very huge. In multi-week Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Wednesday, July 26, cost $5.92, especially greatest 6.33, truly least 5.51, or so they sort of thought. Axie boundlessness gauge on Thursday, July 27, cost $6.60, extremely greatest 7.06, especially least 6.14, which especially is genuinely huge. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Friday, July 28, cost $6.69, essentially most extreme 7.16, truly least 6.22 in a significant way. Axie boundlessness gauge on Monday, July 31, cost $6.84, exceptionally most extreme 7.32, exceptionally least 6.36 in a significant way. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1, cost $6.84, sort of greatest 7.32, most certainly least 6.36, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. In about 14 days Axie limitlessness conjecture on Wednesday, August 2, cost $6.75, especially greatest 7.22, genuinely least 6.28. Axie vastness cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost $6.65, most extreme 7.12 in every practical sense, least 6.18. Axie vastness figure on Friday, August 4, cost $6.83, truly most extreme 7.31, lovely least 6.35 in a very significant way. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost $6.65, by and large most extreme 7.12, really least 6.18 in an unobtrusive way. Axie endlessness figure on Tuesday, August 8, cost $6.44, lovely most extreme 6.89, least 5.99. In 3 weeks Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Wednesday, August 9, cost $6.27, really most extreme 6.71, sort of least 5.83, or so they truly thought. Axie endlessness figure on Thursday, August 10, cost $6.31, especially greatest 6.75, sort of least 5.87 incredibly. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $6.10, fundamentally greatest 6.53, genuinely least 5.67 in a kind of huge manner. Axie endlessness figure on Monday, August 14, cost $6.66, in every way that really matters, greatest 7.13, least 6.19 in a for the most part large manner. Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Tuesday, August 15, cost $7.03, especially most extreme 7.52, beautiful least 6.54 in a kind of huge manner. In about a month Axie limitlessness conjecture on Wednesday, August 16, cost $7.17, lovely most extreme 7.67, kind of least 6.67, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie endlessness cost forecast on Thursday, August 17, cost $6.72, extremely greatest 7.19, exceptionally least 6.25, showing how a share vastness cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1, cost $6.84, sort of greatest 7.32, genuinely least 6.36 in a significant way. A share boundlessness estimate on Friday, August 18, cost $6.85, for the most part greatest 7.33. Beautiful least 6.37 in a genuinely enormous way. United States dollars to Axie today. United States dollars to Axie conversion scale, equivalent to 0.1565 coins per $1 in a genuinely significant manner. Today's reach, 0.1551 0.1597 in a very large way. The past day's nearby, 0.1590, which certainly is very critical. Change for now 0.0025. 1.57%, or so they especially thought. United States dollars to Axie cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which in a real sense is very critical. Dollar to a share endlessness estimate on Thursday, July 20, cost 0.160 coins, kind of most extreme 0.172, truly least 0.149 in an unobtrusive way. United States dollars to Axie expectation on Friday, July 21, cost 0.156 coins, greatest 0.168, in every way that really matters, least 0.146. Dollar to a share limitlessness conjecture on Monday, July 24, cost 0.160 coins, kind of most extreme 0.172, especially least 0.149 in a by and large significant manner. United States dollars to Axie expectation on Tuesday, July 25, cost 0.162 coins, certainly greatest 0.174, most certainly least 0.151, which really is genuinely critical. In multi-week dollar to a share vastness figure on Wednesday, July 26, cost 0.169 coins, truly most extreme 0.181, fundamentally least 0.158. Certainly further appearance how us to Axie cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, in spite of prevalent thinking. United States dollars to Axie forecast on Thursday, July 27, cost 0.152 coins, truly greatest 0.163, especially least 0.142. Dollar to a share vastness figure on Friday, July 28, cost 0.149 coins, in every way that really matters. Greatest 0.161, least 0.140, or so they sort of thought. United States dollars to Axie forecast on Monday, July 31, cost 0.146 coins, lovely most extreme 0.157, by and large least 0.137 in an unpretentious manner. Dollar to a share boundlessness